Calamus 2-day fishing tournament. Jason and I are out here waiting for Grandpa. Walked down with the pick after he parked the pickup. Pretty big tournament. They got 43 boats signed up. 43 or 42, I can't remember. You excited, bud? Ready to catch a big one? Yeah? We'll see how it goes. Here we go.
He's on. He is on.
He's in the other line too.
Trying to.
It's all right.
He's on. He's on.
Oh yeah, he's a running now, isn't he?
Do you even know how big he is?
Oh, he's a nice one, Dave. Hey,
You too?
Yep. All right, stop right there, bud. Let me help you.
Get him, get him, get him.
There we got him.
Oh, shit. That's a decent size. That's a decent size.
Oh, you remember.
Why can't he fit here?
I am reeling in the boat. Good God, Dave.
Here.
Use the net. Oh, it's tiny.
No, you don't need the net.
I don't need it. I'll get it.
Just use that tiny net down there. That's a teeny piece.
Well, it's number 4 though.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
Hey, he is a frog. I think I missed him.
Did you really?
Yeah, I think it was a small one that couldn't get it in his mouth.
I hope he is.
48 foot, I don't want to bring him up too fast.
Yeah.
What happens if we fight him all day? You fight him all day? I mean, these are monsters. How are they going to see a monster?
Hey, a monster?
I don't think
Other than me?
he might be the biggest thing we got.
Well, it's a fifth fish though.
The big one.
He doesn't want to come up. That's pretty nice.
He might be a 30-incher.
Oh, I bet that one's the biggest. That's the monster!
You have to go under that other rod, Dad.
He didn't take
Yay, fish fight! Now we need 2 more. So we have 2 more big ones.
Stuck
So we
on
have
that
a
snap.
big one.
It's stuck on the snap on this side.
Is that thing bigger than all of them?
That pretty exciting?
Yeah. Good post. Either.
Another one on.
Can I know this one is?
Yeah, this one's fighting.
This one's a big one, Jace. Let's
He's
Grandpa.
really ripped on
You want to grab the net?
Okay. How many think I can lift him? This one like 10 pounder? 10 or 11 pounder? Might be it. Might
Hopefully
be
it's a 20.
pounder. Got grandpa wanted
Except
me to
right
catch
there.
the Grandpa,
Line out on that one.
Grandpa, I thought you wanted me to catch the big one.
You're gonna catch one bigger, buddy.
Either way I am.
And maybe I should grab the net. Yeah,
I can't lift him.
it doesn't matter.
I don't
get
think
it in.
I can lift him.
The last fish was 9.5 pounds,
I remember when we got that
28 inches.
monster at where I got my 30-pound bluegill. We got a monster channel there, and then it got away. How big do you think it is?
I don't know. He's bigger than the other one.
Here, Jason. Watch on the screen so you know where the fish is. Okay?
He doesn't want to come up. This one's fighting a whole lot more. Oh shit. Oh shit.
You drag too tight?
Those are ripping over the way.
Hey, Jace, watch where you're going. Come on, camera guy.
You're supposed to be.
Those are all pulling up over the foot, though.
He's in the other line. He's in the other line. Is it probably at least a 10-pounder?
We can only hope. Might be a flathead.
It might just be 20 flat, like a
20 pounder?
40-pound flathead. That would be nice, right? That would be a nice fish. Wouldn't we probably be in post? If it's a 40 flathead.
Good bubbles.
Something big.
There's a lot of bubbles.
It's a big
Oh,
fish,
that's a
big
nice.
bubble.
I seen its tail.
Yeah.
It's not a flathead.
Oh shit! Missed a net.
That's fast. That fish is fast. That's how you couldn't get
This is
in.
over 30.
It's over 30 inches. What was that? That's not a flathead, right?
He's over 16.
Might be a big fish.
It's not a flathead.
Oh, careful, Dad.
That thing is.
And that pole was only out there for what? How many minutes you think? Maybe 2 or 3 minutes?
We just like not even a minute.
Hey, Jay, stop.
Here, stop a minute.
Let me take your pole and see if I can get it around on there. No, just keep her going.
Let me get this one.
You got him.
I don't even get him in.
You got it. You got this one, man.
This one's yours.
This one's so hard. It's harder than the boat.
You got it.
Oh shit! You all right, Dad?
I can like barely even wheel.
You got this one, buddy.
This one's big. This is the big one. I bet it's like another 16 pounder.
Oh, that's 20.
Yeah, it might be a 20. That can throw me. Every time I wheel,
I'm gonna hit this spot lock.
Yeah, that probably is a good idea.
it's fine. It's fighting hard. You guys it.
You're inching it in, buddy. Keep it up. You got it.
I almost got him.
See, I told you were going to catch the big one today. Remember?
Yeah, this one's the big one.
Okay, you just keep inching him in.
This one might even be bigger than yours.
I'm sure it is.
Oh, this thing is a monster.
Monster. It's a big heifer, Jace.
We don't know if it's bigger than yours.
Here, let me help you.
You think it's a big flathead?
I don't know if it's a fish. It's not wanting to come in. It's snagged. It's hung up on something, isn't it? What's going on?
It's just so.
Whatever it was wrapped around something.
It's still on there?
Yep. It's not fighting. This thing felt like a 20.
We had to turn around to get it off, or whatever it was hung up on. Oh yeah.
Oh my God.
All right, hold on. Good job, buddy. Hold on, Dad. Hold on.
Fish there, buddy.
I thought the big one.
We got 2 overs.
Now do we have enough weight to weigh in?
It was hung up on something though. It was this log or something down there.
Yeah.
That thing's bigger than yours.
Yep.
High five.
I told you were going to catch the big one today, didn't I, Jace?
And I did.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
All right, buddy.
It'd probably go 20.
Yeah.
Okay, Paul.
I'm going to walk up to the bathroom right here. Or you got to head up. Okay. We go.
Careful, buddy. I think they're driving the truck.
Right there. He'll want to go with you, but he's Jackson. He's going to go with you, okay? You don't want to go with
Watch out, honey. I don't want you to get ran over.
Good.
Lift, Jace. Lift.
I was talking to fisheries biologist.
Had a really good report here. Good class of white bass coming out. And he found a bunch of year walleye in here too. So hopefully in the next few years, walleye is here. You know? So hopefully we'll see. One guy called me talking potential state really nice fish.
No, you caught that one, didn't you? No, he caught this one. Ah. Careful, dude. Don't fall in. Just throw them in, Jace. There you go.
Day 2 of the Calamus 2-day tournament. Yesterday we came in first place with a weight of 54.8. Hopefully we can do good today as well. We're waiting for 7 o'clock to run around, and we're going to drop some baits and start pulling right out of the boat ramp. What do you think, Jace? Three more minutes. Keep reeling on him.
Now you need to be watching my fire pole.
Yeah, watch it, Grandpa.
I think it's a pretty big one, but it's swimming towards. Not fighting.
You just keep cranking.
I think we're gonna need the net on this one.
Okay, slow down.
And that's those teeny tinies. It's like not even fighting. I don't know how big he is because he's not fighting. He might be a monster. We had 2 bites at the same time.
Oh!
Cut
Well,
off right at the end, bud.
he wasn't hooked quite good enough, was he?
Ready? And get him! That's a big one. Oh, fish in the net! Nice. Ah! Michael!
Yep. Here, let me.
I'm going to pull my pole today, so I'm going to get the second. Got him? Put him. Let me feel him. I can't.
Just keep reeling. Don't stop reeling.
No, Owen is not fighting right now.
He's on there.
I know. Oh, he's fighting hard. Oh, this one must be bigger than the last one. Maybe. Yep, he's big. He's big.
Did you take the hook out of this one?
No.
That's a big one. I think this might be bigger. I think this one's probably bigger than yours.
You get it out of there. Yeah. Hold on, Jace. Just stop, bud.
Stop. We got to get the net, Chase.
Don't reel anymore, okay?
If I go, you're letting me get the. You know what? He's still on there. We have a hole in the net.
No, Grandpa was yelling at me, so I was pulling on him.
What is that?
I want to keep him away from that drift zone. Grandpa gets right out.
I don't know how the fuck that bait got through the fucking net.
I think this one's bigger. That one.
Keep it in the water.
Well, I thought I was supposed to catch it, not you.
You did. You reeled him all the way up.
Now can you let me reel it up?
I don't want to lose him. We got to get the net. Not help. diving hard.
Shit, you'll be okay.
Just leave him right there. Okay?
I'll just see him go ahead. I think mine might be a little smaller. He's going up to the front of the boat. Now he's going back. Starting to go back.
Holy cow. Yeah, it's wrapped around. I took the hook out of the bait.
Can we just cut it? I don't want to lose that fish. We'll just recut it and we'll retie it on there.
Did you just come off?
I hope not.
Yep, he didn't. He's still on there. Second fish. How big is he?
Hold on.
Get him,
Oh my god, jeez. Hold on, don't reel anymore. Here. We gotta get that pole back. Here.
Now I think this is the spot I'm going to catch all the fish. I guess all the fish swim back here.
Get off there, Jason. We gotta get that fish in the fly line. Come on. Well, that one might be 30, Danny.
I'll measure it.
That's the one that you said might be 30.
Nope.
27. He's pretty close.
Hey, don't be yelling, okay? Because we're gonna make people mad.
I think it's a little bigger.
Yours is bigger. They're about the same for length.
That one I think is bigger per pound. So you want to think it's bigger per pound.
Okay, you got another one there ready to drop in.
There's two. Now how many? Now all we need is one more small one, and then two over 30. Right? One more smaller. That, I think that's 10 together. I think if you put those two fish together, it's 10.
Oh, hell, you got the little hooks over there.
Yeah, poke through without poking me.
Yeah. That one I caught, it wasn't on the head, it was on the chunk bait. High five, buddy. We both got one, huh?
I think mine was bigger than mine, but I think yours was bigger than Calamus.
No, yours is bigger. You got the big fish.
You didn't weigh it.
I could tell by picking it up.
Was the first one probably the smallest? That lost. I think it's bigger than the other two.
You want to bring it on this side of the boat again?
Yeah, he's on that side of the drift rock.
I think it's bigger than the other two.
The net's on top of the top. Or do you need the net? Nice little channel though. Eater size.
Eat them?
Yeah.
Why don't we just put them in there and eat them?
Eat them.
Yeah. Put them in there and eat them.
If I had my cutting board, we could clean them and eat them.
We can go to the cleaning station. Fish cleaning station is.
Oh, they told us if we had any fish in our live well besides the 5 we're weighing, we'll get disqualified.
What? Is it an oval?
Well, I thought it was big, but not really fighting now.
How do you tell if it's... Oh, okay. Yeah, it's counting up there. You gonna net him, Jace?
I can't. I don't know. I can't.
This will be 5 fish. We get him in the boat.
I think this might be an oval.
Think? Here, you're gonna get
I
hung
don't
up.
think I'll be able to do it. I think he's it.
It's a number.
Can you...
I thought you had it with a big one.
It's fighting.
Now we got 5.
We need 2 overs.
This is another 5-pounder.
Man, his mouth is tore up too. Look at that.
Tore up.
Oh, it's 2 overs.
Spawn.
Non-stop? Okay, I'll not stop ever. Should I go fast?
Yeah.
Yay!
Don't let him get off.
You. Going pretty fast right now. I say it's pretty much a decent sized fish. Taking the planer board under. Oh, that's a decent size.
Yeah, that's a pretty nice one, Jace.
All right, slow down just a little
Slow down
bit.
a little bit.
This is another fish. Taking the planer board under.
Hey, stop. Grandpa's gonna take the pole out of the holder, and then you walk back with it. Okay? Now reel it in.
What?
Reel. Reel. Reel him in. Come on. Okay, got him.
That's it.
Oh, and he got out of the net.
Somebody had the pole in there and they couldn't get it through here.
Oh!
Got it, Courtney?
Oh, Bill, that one was more. That was the biggest. Oh yeah, that's right.
We